Hi, my name is Carlos Patiño. I'll try to answer 3 questions about the topic Effects of Technology on the Environment. First question. What are positive and negative effects of technology on the environment? Well, technology has allowed us to know our planet in a very deep way. For example, satellites have allowed us to know the climate and the state of the atmosphere, and therefore to know what is affecting it. But technology is being misused in other ways. The main causes of pollution of the planet and its warming is due to the burning of fossil fuels. This not only affects global warming, but it also affects our health in other ways. We cannot stop breathing, and every time we do, we breathe in millions of harmful particles. On the other hand, the technologies that factories uses are usually not eco-friendly technology. They produce products quickly, but they also produce large amounts of hazardous waste. Second question. How do you see the future of our planet? I think the future of the planet is wonderful. Let me explain it. If the Earth depended on the humans' decisions, the future would be dark. There is nothing to indicate that human greed and selfishness will stop if the main objective of companies and governments is money. No government policy considers the source of the problem, selfishness. But I firmly believe what the Bible says, and there it says that God will soon take action on human affairs. He has allowed mankind to rule himself, and it's widely proven that they are incapable of doing it well. That is why it's indicated in the Bible that he's going to destroy those who are destroying the earth. I believe that, and that is why I know that the future is wonderful. Not by humans' decisions, but by God's decisions. Ultimately, the earth is yours, not ours. Third question. How to mitigate the environmental damage? None of us can stop the global decline, but out of respect for the God that this planet lent us, there are things we can do to show that respect. We can start small things. I remember my parents taught me not to litter in the street. It's true that when you go to the supermarket, almost everything comes in plastic containers, but we need to be aware not to use as much plastic as possible. And in my house, we strive to recycle. I think it's also good to avoid being compulsive when buying, especially if it's plastic. Everything you buy will be junk in no time. So even though we cannot stop the damage, recycling helps to reduce the damage to the environment. Bye.